Spring is arriving, and this means the return of green leaf blades in your Zoysia lawn. With Lonify Fertilizer, your lawn will get the nutrients it needs to green up again and prepare for the stressful heat of summer. Lawnify, powered by Catalyst technology, is an easy-to-use fertilization program that will keep your lawn looking great year-round. The Spring Fertilizer Box is a liquid fertilizer program that's designed to help your lawn transition into the warmer months ahead. Apply monthly applications of Lawnify Maintain followed by Lawnify Boost for green up, and a final application of Lawnify Maintain in late spring to meet fertilization needs. For those who prefer traditional granular fertilizer applications instead, use Lawnify's newest addition to the product line, Lonify Foundation. With a 2905 NPK formulation, Lawnifi Foundation is the perfect granular fertilizer for lawns and gardens. The 2% iron included in Lawnify Foundation's mixture helps plants carry oxygen throughout the leaves, roots, and other parts to promote a green, healthy lawn. Each 25-pound bag of Lawnify Foundation covers 5,000 square feet and feeds for 3 months. You can learn more about the Lawnify program on the Sod Solutions website using the link in the video's description on YouTube. For more information on fertilizing your lawn, visit our series of homeowner maintenance guides on Empire, Innovation, and Zoysia. If you have a different kind of Zoysia, refer to our generic Zoysia maintenance guide. We've provided links to each guide in the video's description on YouTube. This video is also a part of our spring maintenance series that's full of other tips like irrigation practices, weed control, and more for Zoysia lawns.